Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to be unboxing this beautiful surprise wedding gift from Wild Rose Atelier. And Wild Rose Atelier is owned and operated by Rebecca in Ottawa, Canada. So not quite local to me, but at least within the same country, a few hours away. She is a one-woman business, an independent corsetiere, and she is branching out from making exclusively corsets to also some displays and ornate busks. So I know in theory that there is a busk in here, and when I picked up the package I was just like, wow, this is a really big box for a busk. We're going to see what it looks like, and I'm not going to spoil too much. I actually don't quite know exactly what's in here. Rebecca had posted it on her own social media, and when I sort of took a glimpse on my Facebook feed, I quickly scrolled past because I didn't want to spoil the surprise for myself. So let's dig into this, and I might need a box cutter. Yeah. So it is a box inside of another box. Rebecca also mentions that all of her packing supplies are rather entirely recyclable, biodegradable. She definitely believes in sustainability, and that isn't just in terms of slow fashion, but also with respect to the packaging and everything. So, oh my goodness. When I opened up, I'll try and show you what I'm seeing here. So when I opened it up, this is what I saw. Oh my goodness, so it's definitely not just a busk. It's beautifully framed. I'm going to show you a close-up here. But it has the wooden busk, which is custom engraved. It's burnt in. Absolutely beautifully done. I see the little rose, I see the hearts making the shape of an hourglass that resembles the heart's corset here. Little boat and a dove. And L and S, which is my husband's initial is S here. So beautifully done, oh my goodness. As well as swatches for flossing here. Some lace, some pieces of couture, some dried pressed flowers. Oh my goodness, like there's so much attention to detail here. And even the edges of this paper with the heart's corset on it, it has like a burnout effect. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. And on the back, you can see here, it's a little envelope attached. Oh, here's the Wild Rose Atelier, and oh my gosh, it's numbered. Limited edition busk, number 1 of 10. Oh, let me get the corners out of here so you can see the whole thing. Oh, beautifully done. Oh my goodness. So the envelope here is sealed in wax with a little rose emblem on it. Very fitting for Wild Rose Atelier. And let's see what it says inside. Oh, it's quite a bit inside. Dear Lucy, I hope you will enjoy this display and that it finds a special place in the home, that you will share it with your new husband. Congratulations and thank you for your support. A little about the product. During the 18th century, it was popular practice to carve a wooden bust for one's sweetheart to be worn inside her corset. With this design, I've sought to revive this romantic tradition in a 21st century application. Completing the presentation are items that nod to centuries of corset-making history in rich neutral tones to complement any home decor. Solid maple busks are locally produced in small batches, hand-burned and finished in studio, personalized to order. I love that, especially that it's maple, being Canadian, like the maple syrup runs through my veins. And some cards. Corset freshening and spot cleaning recipe. Ooh, that's very interesting, very nice. As well as a little sample of soak to care for and launder all of your corsets and corset accoutrement. So having a wedding during the pandemic, we had a guest list that was 90% smaller than what we had originally planned for, but this is an absolute gorgeous gift. Thank you so much, Rebecca, for your support and for the thoughtfulness of this. I hope everybody enjoyed this unboxing. Obviously I'm going to show some close-ups of this entire thing, as well as the beautiful personalized letter that came with it. So if you have any questions about this, if you have any questions about Rebecca and Wild Rose Atelier and what they have to offer in terms of corset making, as well as these beautiful displays, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'd be happy to get back to you. If I don't know the answer, then of course I'll call Rebecca and bring her over to the comment section and have her answer your questions personally. So thank you again for joining me for this video, and I will see you in the next one.